Yeah. So I just stumbled across this with the software manager. I want to show it to you real quick. I think they're going to go, what the heck is FreeTube? So this is FreeTube. Okay. I'm going to read this out to you. So hold on tight. It says FreeTube is an open source desktop YouTube player built with privacy in mind. Use YouTube without advertisements and prevent Google from tracking you with the cookies and JavaScript. It's available for Windows, Mac, Linux, thanks to Electron. Okay, please note that FreeTube is currently in beta. While it should work well for most users, there are still bugs and missing features that need to be addressed. So they're going to be working on that. Kind of awesome. Pardon me. My wife bakes. The reviews, we got 4 stars, 1 star, one of them. It says it doesn't allow import history correctly. I don't know. More 5 stars, 4.5, 2 stars. Here's the deal. If you give this thing 2 stars or less, then shame on you. It's free. You understand what free means? Free takes away all your rights to complain about it. So it's free. I'm going to install it right now. I'm going to install all this stuff here. We're gonna have fun with this. Okay, let's get on their website while we're doing this. Okay, here we go. Not much. It gives you the same blurb that's on there. FreeTube is for YouTube client for Windows 10 and later, Mac operating system 11 and later, and Linux built around using YouTube more privately. You can also enjoy your favorite content and creators without your habits being tracked. It's going to be awesome. Absolutely awesome. In case you didn't know it, I'm a conspiracy nut. Not that I believe all the conspiracies, but they are absolutely fascinating to get into. But when you go on YouTube and you click on one video and it's a crappy video, all of a sudden they're giving you 1,000 other crappy videos. I don't want that. I want to watch what I want to watch, and this is going to help me do it. Alternatively, I go on BitChute, but BitChute just doesn't have the population of creators like YouTube has. There we go. Current features. They can subscribe to channels without an account. This is awesome. All the stuff is stored locally on your hard drive. There's no ads. And your viewing habits are not tracked. Not by them, not by YouTube. So this is awesome. Familiar design, so you're not going to get all messed up. It's all open source, multilingual, multi-platform, and you can import your subscriptions. Much more to come. This sounds pretty awesome. I'm getting excited for this. And here's all the download stuff: app images, FlatHub, other links, distributions here, zips, and all that kind of stuff. I'll find it there. So if you're using a different distribution than I am, which is Linux Mint, you can get all your downloads there. There's blogs about it and all this other stuff. Check that stuff out. Amazing. And there's YouTube. It's all up there. FreeTube. It's been installed successfully. Let's go. I'm going to open this up. Okay, this says a new blog is now available. Behind the scenes, improving project structure and other updates. Click to view more. So here we got subscriptions. Videos. Your subscription is currently empty. If you don't want to import your subscriptions, you can go to Data, Settings, and select Import Subscriptions. Or you can search for a channel and subscribe to them. This might be a game changer here. If I want to go to a channel. Shorts, live, community, subscriptions. So it opens up similar to a browser, more a browser than an app. Okay, so I guess I'm just going to look for a YouTube channel that I want to go in there. I could actually type in Hooked on Linux. Let's see what we get here. Okay, there we are, Hooked on Linux. Now, if I subscribe to this, I'm going to give myself another subscriber. Oh, we got 91 subscribers. Wow. Sure would like to make it 100 or 1,000 or 2,000. Maybe FreeTube is the way to go. Add a channel to your subscriptions. So how does it track? It's got to track. See, this is the thing. This is the thing that I don't understand. It has to track you in order for you. No, it doesn't, because it says the idea here is that this is going to use up my disk space. It's going to use up my disk space. So I'm going to go over here to settings. It should be under data. It should be saying data. So here's the data. Subscriptions, manage subscriptions, export subscriptions. How do I import my subscriptions? Alright, I get that. So manage subscriptions, history, import history, export history, import playlist, export playlists. I want to know where on my computer this data is going to go. This is the question. This is the question I have. Where does it go? Where does it go? I'm not saying anything here. Guys, you got to help me out here. Frequently asked questions. Data location. It's right there. Data location. Config FreeTube. Okay, so now I know it's going to be here in config FreeTube. It's not here. There's no FreeTube there. Okay, so I'm going to put it here, and I am going to search for FreeTube. And there it is. Home, REMI, their app. So it's not where it's supposed to be. It's under VAR APP. It's like that. Your data is stored in your machine and isn't used to track your habits you use on YouTube or on FreeTube. You can find the data is located. Confirm this. Alternatively, you can export your data from the settings page. Right now, it's in a place I don't want it. I want it stored somewhere else. I still want it on my system. I guess I'm going to have it on my system. But this data could add up quickly. Who knows? Let's see how much. This is 29 items that are in here. A lot of stuff, and I only saved one website, right? Cache, all of this stuff. They got a lot of stuff here. That's it. There's a lot of stuff here. I don't know how much space is going to be. Look at the properties there. This is already 4.6 megabytes. Okay, you're saying that's not much, but I mean, I only put on one channel. One. How many subscriptions do you have? Right? So this is the thing. So I'm I'm going to see if I can move that. I might end up sending them an email. So this is the introduction to FreeTube. That's all I'm going to do today, until I can find out if I can move the location, until I find out some more about how to use this thing, and I'll give you an update when I do. But so that's what I got for FreeTube. I think I don't know if it's good or bad, but I'm going to work with it for a while, a couple of months. I'll let you know what I find. So as I said, the only thing I'm concerned about with FreeTube is the data. Like, sure, they compile the data and put it on your hard drive, so they have access to your hard drive. And what does that mean for your privacy and security? I don't know yet. But give me a couple months with this, and I'll come back and let you know what I find out. If you have any experience with FreeTube, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you're finding. Is this good, bad, or otherwise? I appreciate all your input. Thanks for hanging out with me, and we'll see you soon.